Hi everyone, it's Sally.
And I'm Anne-Marie.
And we've got another ice variety show for you. So this time it's not going to be so much a test of skill as in like throwing and all those office Olympics. It's going to be a test of creativity. So I hope you've got your creativity brain on today.
Yes.
Because we've been watching the Great British Bake Off.
Excellent stuff.
Love it. And last week they made a harvest plaque, didn't they, of all the things they're thankful for.
Yep.
So we thought that would be a great thing for us to do as well. We're going to give ourselves the challenge of each creating a harvest plaque in a very short amount of time. We're going to have salt dough, so it's not edible unfortunately, but it is nice and tactile. We're going to have a couple of minutes now to design and think about the things that we're thankful for and what's special to us, and then 15 minutes to create.
Oh, that's a lot less than they have on Bake Off.
Yes, so I'm not expecting any towers, at least from my side, but I think it's going to be great. So, and then we're going to be judged, and the person who gets the most votes is the winner.
Yes.
So,
all right.
Are you ready, Anne-Marie?
I think so. Yes. Are you ready, Sally?
I think I am.
Right. Let's see how it goes.
Okay everyone, I just finished designing my harvest plaque and let's have a look. This is my design and it's got a number of elements that are important to me. So I've got a tree and that's because my family tree is really important. And actually the harvest plaque is quite important to me too because my mum does it every year. And that's because her dad, my granddad, taught her how to. He was a baker. So I want to show that I'm thankful for them and all they've given me with my tree. And it's autumnal because I really love the autumn and the hot drinks and the long nights and the cold weather. I really like that. And you can see a swing because I'm really thankful for the fun and games I have with my friends and how much joy they bring me. And then finally, I mean, there's a bird in there too because I like birds, but most of all, there's a little mouse in my tree. And that's because on my mum's harvest plaque every year, she has a little mouse hidden there. So I thought I'd honour her by having a little mouse of my own. So I look forward to seeing how this challenge goes. Let's see if I can do it justice.
Okay everyone, and here is what I've got. You've got like a big circle as like a base to put everything on, and then I started actually by writing a list of all the things that I felt thankful for. So on there I've got stars, because my favourite constellation is visible at the moment. So I've got the stars up in the sky in the middle there, and I've got some autumn leaves at the side. This is my favourite season, so I was really thankful for all of the things that I can really appreciate at this time. And I've got on there, if you can see very closely, that's one of my little pet rats, and she's been quite poorly recently, but she's on her way to getting better, which is really great. We've been praying a lot for her and for my whole family, so I'm really thankful to how God has helped us through a really stressful few weeks. We're looking after her. And then I've got a big candle in the middle. One thing I really love is to light a candle. It helps me to focus and to pray, but also helps keep me relaxed as well, especially if it's a lovely lavender kind of smell. That's a really nice thing to do, actually. It really helps. And then I've got a dice there, and that's to represent my friends because we play a lot of games together, and I'm really thankful for all of the love and the support that I get from my friends. They're really amazing, and they help cheer me up when I'm down, and they're always there when I need them. And then last of all, I got some music notes there. I love music. I've always got music on, and I'm really thankful for the way music can just uplift us and keep us going through difficult times. And this last weekend, my favourite band, BTS, had an online concert to make up for the world tour that they couldn't go on. They were able to give us a really amazing show online, so I'm really thankful for the technology as well that enabled us to meet together online in a concert like that. So that's what I'm going to try and make. Now obviously bread isn't going to be blue, so I don't know how well the night sky is going to come out, but we will see. I will do my best. So let's see how we get on, shall we? So we've got our salt dough, we've got our boards to put it on, and we have a timer set for 15 minutes to give us a bit of a deadline. And I'm ready whenever you are.
I'm ready too. So 3, 2, 1, go! So everyone, this is salt dough.
Mm-hmm.
This is part plain flour, part salt. The rest is lukewarm water, and a lot of hitting it until it gets nice and soft. So don't eat this if you ever make it. It will not taste good.
No, it's not for eating this stuff.
But it will harden into something permanent, which is really cool.
Now, I have in my head that this is going to look really, really cool, just like my drawing. But even as I'm starting to make the simplest of bits, I'm like,
What could this be?
it's not going to turn out quite the way I imagined, I think. But it might still be quite cool. Just the cool thing about making stuff is that, as Bob Ross, the painter, you don't know who he is, you should look him up, as he says, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. So, when you're drawing something and you get a bit frustrated because it's not coming out the way you want it to, just keep going. You might make something else that you never thought you would be able to make. With my words of wisdom.
It's a good wisdom. If you ever make this dough at home, don't add all the water at once. I'm learning from the stuff I did yesterday, which is the ones I've got, that it will make it very sticky.
Ooh.
Children who can see this, I am sorry. It started so well, and then my hands got sticky,
Yeah,
and now
it really is.
everything is hard.
Very, very sticky. Alright, I panicked at the beginning,
You're doing good.
but I think we're okay. How's the time?
8 minutes 30.
Oh, okay.
So we've got time for details. You know, like in Bake Off, when they've taken it out of the oven,
They're doing the waft.
now we're in the decorating stage. Wow, I'm sorry,
That
Mum.
is-
I am so sorry.
Oh no, a mistake has happened.
It's not
It's not a mistake, it's a
happy accident. See, I never thought of myself as artistic, but I enjoy art, and so even if the end result isn't at all what I hoped for, it doesn't matter because we had fun doing it.
That's right. I think we get caught up in trying to make everything so perfect that we forget that creating stuff and being crafty, whether they are drawing or painting or making stuff like baking things, it's all about having fun and expressing yourself or something that you want to express. And if you've done that, then that's all it needs to be.
And you're a winner.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. So when our judges have a look at this, I'm not entirely sure they're going to understand my artistic vision.
Same.
Um,
We were like, what is that?
but they're fairly used to that with us.
That's true. So as we're making this, maybe you can be having a think about what you're thankful for at this time of year, because that's what harvest is all about, is thinking about the things that we can say thank you to God for, the things that we're grateful to have in our lives, and that could be the food that we enjoy every day, it could be the people that are around us or the opportunities that we have. So one thing Sally and I have been really thankful for is the chance to get to work together a little bit more, because we couldn't do that over lockdown. We had to be in our own separate houses. So since September we've been able to work together in the office, and it's been really good fun. And we hope that comes across in all of our videos as well. So the things that we're thankful for could be food, and it's really important to thank the people who provide our food for us, and to remember all of the hard work that goes into preparing all of the different kinds of foods that we eat, and whether that's our lunch boxes or our school lunches. So maybe that's a little simple thing you could do today, is to say thank you for whoever made your lunch. Be really cool. But I'm sure you can think of lots of really interesting things that you're thankful for as well. So have a think as you're watching us flail.
Flail's a good word for it.
Yeah, there's some flailing going on.
Five, 4, 3, 2. Oh, hands off. Very sticky hands.
Sticky.
Well done. Well, I'm going to turn off that annoying sound. I think before we look at this, we should wash our hands.
We need to wash our hands.
And then we'll be back and we will reveal to each other first.
I'm not going to turn the camera off.
We're gonna find that one out.
Okay. All right.
It's a clean.
All done. Okay, so now we are going to reveal to each other what we have made. So let's get this off of the thing.
All right,
Okay.
ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go!
Wow.
Hey, yours is so cool.
It's like a whole tree. Wow.
Oh. And look, I see the moon and the stars.
Yeah.
That you've done.
Yeah.
And the lovely, is that a ratty?
It is. Yeah. I did one of my ratties.
That's lovely.
You've got a cool tree. Is that an owl in the tree?
That is an owl.
Oh,
in
the
my
swing
tree.
in the roots.
Yes.
I like that we both had like playing games together.
Yes.
On there.
That's something I'm
really
really
sweet.
thankful for.
Yes, likewise. Cool. All right. Well, the next thing we need to do is to put these to the vote to our mystery judge, who, of course, we know, but you guys might not be able to see. But we shall see which one they vote for. And they're not going to know which one of us has made which one, so there will be no favoritism involved. Not that they would anyway, because they're lovely. But we shall see which one gets the most votes, and we'll be back to find out the winner very, very soon. Okay, everyone, we're back for judging our salt dough creations. We've got some lovely guests here to judge and vote for us. So, guests, could you just say hello and tell everyone your names?
Hi, I'm Mary.
And I'm Chella.
I'm Karen.
Fantastic. Now, these two are our trustees, and Karen's our lovely administrator who helps us out in the office. So, in a moment, you're going to be shown our salt dough creations. You don't know which one of us has made which one. Please vote on which one you think is your favourite, and we'll collect up the votes and see which of us has won in just a moment. So here we go.
Okay.
There we go. You should be able to see A and B. Have a look, take in all the details, the craftsmanship, the expertise. If you feel like giving one of us a full Hollywood handshake over the screen, that would be super, super cool.
Look at the little mousey. Okay.
Okay. We'll go back to video and faces. Hello.
All right, so let's shall we go to each of our judges? So Chella, would you like to start? Who have you voted for?
Well, I like them both very much. More skillful than I could be, but I especially like A.
So that's a vote for A. Excellent. Karen, you're next on the order going around.
would you like to vote A or B?
Well, again, both have real merit to them. I felt B was a little bit abstract, kind of really harnessing the wispiness of autumn and the wind. But I did prefer the neatness of A, I'm afraid.
Okay,
So-
that's 2 votes for A. Thank you very much, Karen. And then Mary, what would you like to vote for, A or B?
Well, it was ditto.
Ah,
I like them both very, very much, but I like the quirkiness of A, especially the little mouse. So my vote goes to A, I'm afraid.
oh, okay, that
Green
is
flute.
3 votes to none for A. Shall we reveal?
We
who
should
this
reveal
is?
who's A and B.
Here we go, drum roll.
Well done, Anne-Marie.
Thank you, esteemed panel of judges.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so there we are. There's the results.
Yeah, well done, Anne-Marie. You did a really good job on that. Well deserved win.
Yay, thank
Fantastic. And we had a lot of fun, didn't we?
We did actually, yeah. It was really good fun. I recommend making some salt dough harvest packs of your own.
Yeah. Top tip from me, add a little less water than we did into the salt dough. I'll put the recipe below in the video, but that's my tip.
Great, well that's us for another episode of the Ice Variety Show. We will see you again in another video. Bye for now.
Bye!